Okay, as yesterday we were revising the chapter, so once we will see the view of the chapter, and within that I will ask you some questions and you will write your answers here. So I'll come to know who are writing the correct answers. Okay, now we will see the first question. At first we will revise the thing. Okay, now we have completed till the plowing of the hillside and multiple choice question we have completed till there. Now the conservation of the soil. So what is conservation of the soil? Is it the protection, the erosion or withering? What? Is it the protection, erosion? What is conservation? Is it the protection of the soil? Is it the erosion of the soil? Or is it the blowing of the soil? What is conservation of the soil? Write the answer. Write fast your answer so that I come to know you are writing the correct answer. If I'll ask you, what is conservation of the soil? What is conservation of soil? Okay, if I'll give A, conservation means protection, B is, yes, very good. Already Devishpita has given protection, conservation, and C is withering. So what is the is it the, you can write withering. So what will be the answer? It will be the protection of the soil. So like that I will give you the 3 alternatives and you have to write the answer fast. Okay. Now next one is if I'll make 2 arrangements like this, one part of the tray is covered with the soil and another part of the tray is covered with plants. So in which tray, if the 3 trays are given here, suppose one tray is given this side and we are dividing it, one is full of the soil and another having the plants, small plants or saplings will be there, then this is the A part, this is the B part. In which part of the tray erosion will be happen? A part, number 1 is A, number 2 is B and number 3 is both, and number 4 is none of these. So if we'll see the A alternative, that is A, B alternative it is B, and C alternative it is both, and third alternative the erosion will happen in the both case, in the both side of the tray, and fourth is none of these. Yes, which one is B? Is the erosion will happen in the B? Why B? B is full of plant. So erosion is not capable to do the part of the soil which is having or which are covering the plants. So this part will be not eroded, but this part only, the soil part is there. So the answer will be A, not the B. B is the total surface area of the B is covered with plant. So it is not easy to take away the take away the soil from this part. So which part it is easy? A part, because soil is loosely held, there is no plant, so A part of the tray will be eroded. Okay, this is not the B. Only one person has given the correct answer, that is Noreen. Okay, and yes, Devanjan and other also given the correct answer. Now who is sharing the screen? Don't share. Now next one is, there are conservation of the soil are from these methods. First one is afforestation, second growing plants in the farmland, third is avoiding overgrazing, and the fourth one is construction of the embankment, and fifth one is step farming. So what are these? What is afforestation? What is afforestation? Write fast. What is afforestation? What is afforestation? If I will see the alternative, cutting of trees, and B should be, one is cutting of tree, second one B is growing of trees, growing trees, C should be cutting of trees, growing of trees, and growing crops, or you can say selling crops, and the D is none of these. So what would be the alternative? Which one will be the alternative? What is afforestation? Afforestation means growing trees. So it will be the B alternative, isn't it? It will be the B alternative. I am asking you, actually this is not enough given in the exercise. I am asking you this type of question you will get from inside of your book, because a 50 number question is not possible to take only from the exercise. So some questions are within the chapters, you go through the chapter. Okay. Now next one is, why do we construct the embankments? Number one, why do we construct the embankment? So what is embankment? What is embankments? What is embankment? First one is method of conservation, and B, method of conservation, B, method of erosion, C, method to make soil, and D, all of them. So what would be the answer? Yes, I have given you. What is embankment? Is it the embankment is a method of conservation? Is it the method of erosion? Is it the method of making soil, or it is all? Write fast, the answer should be growing of trees in a large scale is called afforestation. Yes, but I am asking about this question now. Okay, as the MCQ pattern will come, so I am just doing the question pattern in the MCQ method. So write down here, what is embankment? Is it the method of conservation, or is it the method of erosion? Is it the method to make soil, or it is all? Which option you will choose? No, you don't have to write, we are revising, then you will go through the book and you will come to know the answers. At first give the answer. What is embankment? Is it the method of conservation, the method of erosion, method of making soil, and the last one is method to make soil, method of erosion and all. First one is method of conservation. Alternative is A is the method of conservation, second one is method of erosion, third one is method of making soil, and fourth one is here C. C is method to make soil. Is it embankment? Why do we make the embankment? Is it a wrong answer? C is not the correct answer, dear. C is method to make soil. This is B, method of erosion. First one is, what is embankment? Why do we make the embankment? To prevent the soil erosion or the conservation of the soil. So the A is the correct answer, method of conservation. Why do we make the embankment? So the soil cannot flow along with the flow of water. That's why we make the embankment. So the water is being stored in the river, they cannot flow out, and along with them they along with the flow of the water they carry the soil. So we are conserving the soil. So it is the method of conservation, not the method of erosion. Okay. So this is the method of conservation. So which one is correct? This is method of erosion. Very good. Now we'll go for the next. Step farming is also known as step farming, also known as step farming. What is the another name of step farming? Step farming also known as number A. If we will see A, then you will write grazing, B is crop farming, and C will be terrace farming, and D none of these. So what would be the correct answer? What would be the correct answer? Yes, C, very good, terrace farming. This is Chandrolekha has given the first answer, this terrace farming. Devadita also given the answer. So this is the C, this is terrace farming. Very good. The another name of the step farming is the terrace farming. Now we will see, tick the correct answer. Which of the following is not, now close your books, this is your honesty to closing the book, okay, because now I will ask you the questions from your text, and next day I will make you to write some of the MCQ, okay. Which of the following is not a method of soil conservation? Weathering, step farming, or afforestation? Which of the following Yes, very good. So if you can give the answer by listening, it will be better for me. So it is a weathering. Okay, who has given the answer? Again, Devadita has given the answer. Weathering is a correct answer because step farming and afforestation is the method of soil conservation. Now the next one is a large amount of humus is present in subsoil, bedrock or topsoil. Yes, very good. It is topsoil, but you are giving the answer before asking the question. At first, let me finish the question. Okay, this is the topsoil. Now, third one is removal of topsoil is called soil conservation, weathering or erosion. Removal of topsoil is called soil erosion. Very good. Archishman has given the first answer. Very good. Now, next one is if the topsoil is removed, we will not find rocks, humus or water. Very good. It is humus. Noreen has given the correct answer. It is humus. Now, I'll ask you, dash make the soil fertile. Dash makes the soil fertile. Which is the thing which makes the yes, it is correct answer. Who has given at first? Archishman has given again. It is humus. But Archishman, don't write the answer before asking the question. Okay. Now, next one is cutting down of trees on a large scale is called cutting down of trees in a large scale is called. What it would be called? Cutting of trees in a large scale is called, yes, this is Shoumili has given deforestation. Lots of people have given. Yes, it is deforestation. Write down, you know this thing, this is deforestation. Now, the next one is the breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces the breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces due to repeated weathering. What would be the answer? Repeated drying, heating, yes, this is due to weathering. Okay, now repeated heat, rain, all that. Now the fourth one is, if I'll ask, tell me the composition of soil. Write down. Who will write fast? What is the composition of soil? So the composition of soil is humus, water, clay and dash. Write fast. Composition of the soil is humus, water, clay, sand and what? I have written it, no? Composition of soil is humus, water, clay, sand and what? Yes, very good. It is gravel. Okay, this is gravel. Now, the next if I will see the uppermost, now write down the third layer of soil is called. The third layer of soil is called what? Yes, who has given first? You think, yes, right, bedrock. So the third layer of the soil is called bedrock. Very good. Now, if I will see the next, name any two agents of the soil erosion. Name two agents of soil erosion. What will be the two agents of soil erosion? And dash. What are the two agents? Air and running water. Yes, air is also there, but mainly actually air and running water is also correct, you think? And you can write yes, wind and flowing water or running water, whatever. Okay, air or wind, anything you can write. Wind and not flowing, actually running. Running is the correct word. Running water. These are the two agents of the soil erosion. So you all are giving answers, very good. Who has given overgrazing? Overgrazing is a way, it is a thing, or it is an activity by which the soil erosion occurs, but this is not the agent of soil erosion. This is a method, or you can say this is an activity of a human created activity by which the animals grazes more and the soil is being eroded. So this is not the agent. Overgrazing is an activity and this is not a agent. What are agents? Only wind and running water. Due to this, due to overgrazing, when the soil is being loosened up on the top side, that time it is easy for wind or to running water to carry this type of soil. So the actual agents are wind and running water, and these all are the facilitating the things to the erosion. Okay, so these are the causes of soil erosion, but they are not agents of the soil erosion. So what are agents? Running water and wind. Understood? So don't write it. Now who is sending this? Orchishman and Orchishman, why you are sending this type of emoji? Now next, next one is again here. What is soil erosion? I have asked you, what is soil erosion? One is removal of the topsoil, or what is soil erosion? Removal of fertile soil, soil. Number 2, removal of humus only. Number 3, removal of top and subsoil. And number 4, all of these. What would be the appropriate answer? Tell me, what would be the appropriate answer? If I ask what is soil erosion? Removal of fertile soil, removal of humus only, third removal of top and subsoil, and number 4 all of these. I didn't give the removal of the topsoil only, top and subsoil both. So write down the option. Write down the option. Removal of fertile soil. Number 2, what options are given? You have to choose among them. Removal of the fertile soil. 2, removal of the humus only. Third, removal of the top and subsoil. Which one is that? D, all of these. No, it's incorrect. Yes, it is A. Very good. Orchishman is correct. Not only the humus, removal of fertile soil. That means the upper portion soil, whatever the soil mixes with, it is already very fertile soil full of minerals. When they mixes with the humus, they remove the upper part, or the whatever you are saying the topsoil. When you are saying the topsoil, that means what? The layer which is present along with the humus, isn't it? So the fertile soil, removal of fertile soil, this is the correct option. Understood? Yes. Ani Gupta is not, you are right. Okay. Now the next one more we will do, and then the time is getting over. So I'll just close the class, or just complete the class, and the next day again we will do the some other chapters. Okay. Now tell me what happen if rocks not broken into tiny pieces? Then what will happen? Second, what would happen if rocks do not broken to form soil? So the first one is alternatives. Food web would be in trouble. Would be in trouble. B, this is A. B, no life will survive food web would be in trouble, no life will be survived, no formation of earth, no formation of environment. what would happen? Tell me. Yes, if what would happen if rocks do not broken to form soil, then what will be happen? Yes, no, food web would be in the trouble. So first one is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for the day. Next day we will revise some more things from the other chapter, and then we will go for the revisions or the written revisions. Okay, so that's all for the day. Write down your presence. If you are present, then give your yes. A is the correct answer. Now you kindly go through your chapters, read the whole chapter, so you should know all the factors of the chapter. It doesn't matter that you don't have to learn the things, but you should know all the factors, all the things of the chapter. Okay, that's all for the day. Have a nice day and goodbye. Kindly write down your presence, and you know your syllabus is from chapter 1 to chapter 6. Okay, from chapter 1 to chapter 6 all chapters will come. Yes.